It's the old edge shed. I've just come back from my second dose of the old vaccine, and I've come back to a problem. This one is right, and that one has been retrimmed and had loads of holes put in it. Fortunately, we have got some proper trim material, which for the people who probably do know, and the people who don't, is MGB hood. So fortunately, I've got some MGB hood left over, and we've got enough to trim one side, so we're going to do it.
Why do you have MGB hood? You don't have an MGB.
No, but years ago when I was young, I used to convert from left to right and drive E-types. You always used to have to cover the trim holes. And the only thing you could cover them with was the MGB hood material, and they looked pretty good. So all the ones were trimmed, you know. But obviously these were, that must have been trimmed sometime in its life. I mean, that's been trimmed to death. Look at the extra holes. I mean, look at this. I don't know what that is. I mean, that's, and this has got an extra one up here for the cooling fans, which we have seen. But, so yeah, so that's obviously, that's on the trim point of view. My assistant is in there trimming. She's done loads of it. She's pretty good. She's getting the hang of it, but that way. So we're going over the bonnet here to something I prepared earlier. This is what I was doing the other night when then I lost the will to live. As you can see, the heater box, as Tupac would say, has definitely seen better days. And I've saved it again, but I'm not happy with it. It's just not nice. But we're going to use it anyway. We are going to use it. We're going back in. We may well fit it in with a 2-speed super duper turbo blower. I'll tell you what I got. And I know it's going to sound daft, but do you remember? La 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 la. Do you remember? Do you remember that inline blower motor I got to use in something else that I got somewhere? And it's like a round blower. And it was over here on the shelf. And it was designed to pump out boats. Look, that. What do you reckon? Would that go in? Nah, don't like it. That's gone. Change that idea. That's not going to go then, so we won't use that then. Right. So we'll have to look for one of the Nissan Micro ones which we have around. Nissan Micro ones fit, would you believe? But yeah, so we started doing that, we started doing this, we did a bit of that, I did a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, what you fancy. And hopefully my plan was to get it down onto its guts. And that's what's going to happen. I want it down on its wheels today. Because I want to get it down its wheels. So then we just keep on with the trim. That's our plan. So, for a minute, I'll leave you there, guys. We found bits of chrome. We've got bits of chrome for the headlights. We've got all this around. We found lots and lots of stuff which we're going to use. And remember what they said? What was it they said? Time's precious. So we've got to keep wasting it. And we've got to keep wasting it wisely. So that's the plan, what we're going to do. Up there's the trims to go for the rubbers, for the rear quarter windows. They've got to go over the cantrails, which is what she's doing at the minute. And I've got that bit of welding to do, which I haven't done, but I'm going to. I've got this bit of welding and a bit of welding on that B-post still. But that's it. So there we go. We can recommend this as 151 graffiti removal spray. Removes Banksies without any problem, that, doesn't it? Yeah, that's what I said. Anyway, so there's the fan. Might see if that works, to be honest. I don't know. Well, I'll see if that works. We'll give that a try. If that works, we'll probably use that. So we'll talk to you there. So I'll see you now. And that's the end of that one. But there's a bit of trimming going on inside the house. We'll keep you informed.